All right, my beautiful people, it's another beautiful Wednesday afternoon in the beautiful city of Akwa Ibom State. And today, on today's episode of Inside the Kitchen, we're going to be trying something really indigenous, something local and delicious. We are at the King Spot, and you can see everybody's getting busy around here. Today, we are going to learn how to eat bole and fish. Mr. Kings, what's up now?
I'm fine, my brother.
What's the apple?
My brother, just there.
I walk now.
We thank God, we thank God.
So what you go prepare for us today?
I go prepare bole and yam with fish for you.
Okay, so if person want prepare this bole and yam or fish, what the person need?
You know, say, first of all, this is a Port Harcourt food. Okay. You understand? So now, real reverse man. That's why reverse man. I don't know the value of this food. You understand? Okay. Know how you go eat bole because you get somebody eat bole with granite. But normally the real reverse food na bole with sauce. You understand? And the sauce na pepper sauce. So besides they eat and kata they come out from your nose. Eat they do you. You understand?
So now what you go help us do with that today?
No, yeah, no, now help you do today. So you understand that very well.
Okay, now my people, you've heard it from the horse's mouth. I am ready to test this delicacy. Let's see what he has to offer to us. Okay, my people, we're back into this. So Malga, what's the first thing we'll go do for you?
The first thing we majorly do now to turn on our charcoal.
Okay.
You understand? Because I guess some people they like use firewood, roast plantain. Okay. But we will be reverse men who they use charcoal because now the heat from the charcoal now they make the plantain done fast. Okay. And they give them another taste. You understand? So after you don't light up your charcoal, we come bring the yam. You get people be saying they roast their yam with the back. Okay. But we would like peel off our own back before we roast them because you know say customers hygiene. Now what do they consider first? Forget the fact in our local food. Now make we can't do one for shops like the international. So they peel off our own. We peel off our own yam before we roast them. Then roast our plantain. Again, another thing for Akwa Ibom here, people they mostly boil their plantain before they roast them. You understand? But we know they boil our plantain before we roast them. As we bring them like that for the bunch, we open them, put them for fire. You understand? So like we give them the when you don't boil like they come out the taste. But when you roast them directly like that, they give them the real taste.
All right, my people, you heard him. He said some people used to boil the plantain before they roast them, but them, as they carry and come from the bunch, they'll just peel them, put them for fire. And you can see everything happening in front of me, live and direct. So my party now, after you don't put the plantain, what will be the next thing?
After we don't put the plantain, now to make our sauce. Okay. You understand? And you know, this our sauce, you get people who don't really sabi how to do it. So people just slice onion, then pan pepper, mix them together. You understand? But real Port Harcourt person know they do one like that. You understand? As a reverse man, you guys blend them together. Mix some kind of vegetables we need to mix. Blend them together, then put them for fire. After it don't dry, you put your oil so that the oil go hit with the sauce. Then when the oil don't hit with the sauce, you put all your normal condiments they use cook. You understand? The sauce done they ready.
All right, my people, we have come to the final process, and this is how they are dishing it out now, so that I will test it. Yeah. So just follow us carefully. That is the yam going into the plate. Very hot yam. In case you are looking for a place to eat your bole, do not forget the King Spot is your choice, yeah? And now, my favorite, the plantain they come.
So this is your favorite?
This is my favorite. You see how they do it, very neat. You get? King Spot, always amazing, you know? So they don't put fish for me. The onions is helping you to see far.
Yeah. And this other diet. This is the vitamins we put. We put cucumber, we put cabbage, but those things are not available for now. Okay. We'll make provision for it next time.
Okay.
So these are the ones that are available. And our sauce is very rich and nutritious. It's satisfying, it is comfortable, it's affordable, and it's tasty. You enjoy it so much.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now Baba of the game is coming on top of this now. Woo! Can you see that?
We do Port Harcourt standard.
Hey!
Our sauce is very pepperish.
Hey!
When you eat it, you know that you eat bole, and it will last in your stomach up to 12 hours and above. So you can eat the bole with Coke, hot Coke or Pepsi, and you can take it with pure water as well. You enjoy it so much. If you want to enjoy it so much, you have to wash your hand and eat it. Avoid fork. But some people come and form at the ball, they would like to eat fork and eat it.
All right, my people, let's go inside and let me do the testing. All right, people, we have seen all the process of preparing this very beautiful meal called the bole, and now it's time to taste it. So just Give me a minute. Let me see what they have here, right? And this is how we're going to start it. In case you have not tasted this before. This is amazing. Beautiful. Delicious. Until I come your way next week, Wednesday, do not forget, go on our YouTube channel at Bookdown.tv, like every post, subscribe to that channel, and do not forget to tune in every Wednesday for Inside the Kitchen. Until I see you next week, stay safe.